Guys, today I decided to take a walk. And yeah, it's a bit windy. I just want to see how far I will go. I dropped my car at my mother's home, borrowed my brother, and now I'm walking back to my place. It normally takes me 5 minutes drive, so I just wanted to walk and I'll see how far I will go. The distance that I will travel today. Yo, the streets in the village. Gonna let's stop sign. Karamots inside the community houses. Guys, look at the green. The reason why I love trees, I love plants, I love flowers. Look at the beauty. This is very nice. It's a beautiful day and I'm going to do laundry with my hands. I give me power. So the sun is rising. I'm about to arrive. I think I'm halfway through. So as I took that battery to be charged, guys, I bought this one because that one has a problem. Honestly speaking, it has got a problem. I wondered why they were giving me at a lower price. So this is things that I should have bought from the onset. The 200 AH, but it's a 12V. So oh yeah, and this inverter, I heard this inverter is not making noise like the one that I have in the house right now. Also, it doesn't, the old one, it's not compatible for this battery. It doesn't work on this battery. I don't know if the power is very less to kick it, start it, or but this one is also a 3000 watts. It's equal to the old one. So in this one, let me show you something. At least it has got some instructions of how many watts to use for a certain power of inverter. So I am here on the 3000 watts. It shows if you can charge your phones and cameras, can watch TV, use a laptop, and fan, some blenders, desktop, a drill, microwave, I forgot this one, and hair dryer, and this looks like an AC, which is 1800 watts. So I can use anything up to the maximum of 1800. I don't know if I can use them at once or one by one, but one thing for sure is that the thing that is gonna work a lot here will be a TV, charging phones, a blender here and there. I don't have a microwave, I don't have a hair dryer, which I'm planning to buy. And for 1800 I'm gonna be using a fridge. For 1800, I don't know, I've seen an air fryer go Pick n Pay like 1000 rand. It is on special, 1700 watts. So I don't know if I will buy it or what, but I feel like having it since the watts are gonna delay in that range. And yeah, one day we'll have air fried meat, whatever it is, muffins from the air fryer and all those things. I'm just buying it because it's 6.2 liters and it's at 1000 rand. It's very less. The brand is Philips and the special runs from it's on and it's ending in January next year. They said 26 January 2026. So I'm gonna buy it. So from now on, whatever happens with the system that I bought, if there is any problem, I'm not gonna buy anything else. I'll just leave it like that, because I cannot be dishing out money for same thing. I need progress. Because I can't be dwelling on one thing. So I need to move on. If there is anything that is happening wrong or right, Mara, I have a solution. I took that lithium battery to charge, so it will charge. While charging, I'll be using this gel. Then if gonale matata are the rainy or cloudy days, I'll exchange them by charging from electricity. That's how I will maneuver around those two batteries. Yeah, I think I'll manage until they come through for us with the services.
There's so much negative energy out there, so sometimes you feel like ending it right here. There's so much hating in the air, you don't fit it anywhere. No one really ever cares. What am I living for? When social media is the enemy, you make friends that turn around and drain your energy. Money and friends don't matter, material things don't matter. I'll tell you, it's God is always telling me alive and live your life. You know I'm on your side, I'm on your side. And every time you cry, I'll be here to dry your eye, to dry your eye. Just stay alive and live your life. You know I'm on your side, I'm on your side. And every time you cry, I'll be here to dry your eye, to dry your eye.
That'll make you put you down. Hold that attitude and the homies gonna come around. Baby, I'm with you now. There ain't no need to frown. I'll be your homie now. I'll help you wear your crown. Let haters take a bow. When social media is the enemy, you make friends fix around. And drain your energy. There ain't no need to frown. I'll be your homie now. I'll help you wear your crown. Let haters take a
Stay
bow.
alive and live your life. You know I'm on your side, I'm on your side. And every time you cry, I'll be here to dry your eye, to dry your eye. see your smile as the sun greets the land, when it kisses the waves and makes the ocean bright, as the darkness fades, I see hope in the light, as the sun begins to rise, the sky turns orange and blue, as brightness joins darkness. I'm reminded of you, where sorrow meets joy. Dreams